Hey everybody, well, we've made some great progress, so I thought I'd show you what's going on. And again, if you got any suggestions or thoughts, please let me know. So come on over and we'll take a look. We've got all the doors finally finished. I'll publish a few of the pictures on how I put the trim in and did the routing on the doors. And we got the doors in for this, and I actually even hung some of the lights and that kind of thing. So what you'll see here, and I'll turn on some of the lights before we get done. Went ahead to use the standard hinges from Home Depot. Put a few things in just to, like a piece in the middle here so that light wouldn't come through. Used the standard Home Depot hinges, and then we painted on the inside down at the bottom where the sump will be. And I believe a 40-gallon breeder is going to work out real well for us down for the sump. The exciting part for this week was actually being able to do a few things, inclusive of, and I will thank him personally, being able to get my Apex Classic controller up and running. So I currently have that with only the temp control in the air, but we'll get the rest going here in a little bit. And then as well, I'll be using my iPad to actually have Fusion tell me all about the tank. So anyway, like I said, we've been able to make a significant progress on the stand, and now we're about ready to start hooking up. So I think what I could use more than anything else is any kind of ideas or other things around where to put your equipment. I think I've showed this before, but where I've got mine is actually on the side. I have a small place here where I'll be mounting different equipment. As an example, just my pad will be mounted in there. I'll probably have the Apex controller, but I'm going to use, as was suggested earlier, I'll be using this area for my Energy Bar 8 and other things there. So anyway, again, you got any suggestions? I'll be trying to figure out how to do both my piping for the sump as well as the electricity and other electrical components as we go. So if you got any suggestions, please let me know. Thanks, guys.